Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Bankai in depth. First, the definition. Bankai means the final release form of a Zanpakuto in Bleach manga and anime. Think of it simply as unlocking the ultimate power in a sword. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Bankai traces back to the Bleach manga first published in 2001. Over time, it's been used by fans of the series and anime culture. The word is carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use Bankai in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. Ichigo achieved his Bankai during a critical battle to increase his power significantly. Correct example 2. The character's Bankai unleashed a massive burst of energy that changed the fight. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Bankai my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Bankai correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Bankai means the final release form of a Zanpakuto in Bleach manga and anime. It comes from the Bleach manga first published in 2001, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Bankai down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.